For breakfast. Son and Jill. What would you like? Cray Bavaliat. What would you like for breakfast? Cray Bavaliat, Son and Jill. What about? Cray McCown. Cereal for breakfast? Grind, Son and Jill. Would you like more? Bavaliat Tullia. Yoghurt. Bin Jane. Bread. Aaron. Toast. Aaron Greven. With butter. Lesh Eam. Without. Gin. Toast with Nutella but without butter. Aaron Greven lesh Nutella at gin eam. Please. Masalch. Done now? Gintnish? A drink. Joch. Would you like a drink? Bavaliat Joch. Fruit juice. Sue mess. What about fruit juice? Cray McCown Sue mess. Enough now. Dul Ewanish.